Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant and you're watching my official YouTube channel, and I am teaching you how you can use Adobe Photoshop. And Adobe Photoshop is very important tool for graphic designing, and we are learning various tools for graphic designing and Adobe Photoshop. So last time we have learned magic erase tool, and magic erase tool I told you that was used to treat any image in which the background is very flat colored. So this is a flat colored image, and let's try this magic erase tool on this, and let's see what happens. If I will click here, you can see half of the color has been removed and the other half is remaining. So this tool cannot work in every situation. So let me reverse that. So how can I use a tool in Adobe Photoshop which can help me to treat this picture very easily, in which there are different colors, like here is a little bit different. So for that I will use another tool, and that is called the background eraser tool. So background eraser tool is used to remove the backgrounds in such situation in which there is a different colors or different variables. So what I will have to do, I will have to select some place here, and then I will use that color like a brush to remove the background, as I have been used in the eraser. So first of all I will have to take the sample, but before that I will have to increase the size of that brush. So I am pressing just the right arrow, right bracket key, and I am using the square brackets, and when I am clicking on the right bracket, the size of brush is increasing. So what I will have to do, I will have to select a sample, and then I will use it to remove the background picture. So you can see here is the size, here are some options. So first of all we have to take a sample, like I have taken the sample. So what I will do next, I will just press and hold the my right key, and I will use to, so for that I will click here sampling ones. This is for continuous sampling, this is sampling ones, and this is sampling background smudge. So what I will do, I will just click here to click on sampling ones, and then I will click here. I have selected the sample. Then I will press and hold my right click button, and then I will use it to remove the background. You can see I am using the brush tool on I am moving on that girl's face, but still it is removing the background. But still it is removing its background very efficiently. So I am not going to leave my brush, and I am just going to delete this background. And you can see I have deleted the background very easily and very efficiently, and these are the few areas left, and I can just work on them later on. So you can see there is I have used the tolerance. I can increase or decrease the tolerance, and this tolerance will be depending on the different pictures. This will work on hit and trial basis. You can use it with the different colors, and you can just see which color is working better for me. So you can use it, and you can just use to remove the background. So this will work on hit and trial basis. So this was about background removal tool, and you can also use it to remove background more efficiently. So if you will work on these tolerance and this one, and you will be getting very good results in the future. So which technique you will use will depend on your need and how you are efficient with that specific tool. So this was a very important tool to study, and you can just work on it and learn more and more. If you have any question, if you will have any question, you can just drop a message, and I am here 24/7 for you. So for till lecture, stay blessed.